So good day guys, welcome back to this channel. So let's take a look at this USDJPY. So before we start, make sure you check if you've subscribed, and if not, then click on that subscribe button, like and share. So this USDJPY, right? This USDJPY, I think this was the movement for the 20, right? We talked about having a bearish move for the 20, which we actually got that movement, right? You can go back to confirm. You can also see for the 21st, right? I told you guys that now that this price has dropped, we should be expecting a bullish move, known as a pullback, if you want to call it, that we should be expecting such a movement. You can see the movement that was made on the 21st. We actually got that movement. Same thing with this 22nd. I told you guys that we should also be expecting a bullish move. Now we've gotten the price actually dropped, then it actually raised up. Then above all, price is still like bullish move with huge candlestick wick sticking at the bottom. So is this bullish move over? Well, definitely not. We would still want to see this bullish move to a level of 133.490, right? I told you guys, or let's say 133.600 if you want to see it that way. So anyhow you want to see it, you should watch out for a level of 133. 133. Currently price is at 132. So once that price can get to a level of 133, then we should continue that bearish move on USDJPY. Then we should continue our drop. Now, one of the reasons why we will be taking such movements is that we can see the trend, right? We can see that this is clearly a bearish move. Our USD to JPY is dropping, coupled with the fact that this price is still trading below our moving average, which is 10 period simple moving average. Now, once this price is still below our moving average, once it is still trading below this moving average, then definitely we will just want to look for a setup, right, to actually go ahead to sell, especially if you want to trade with the daily time frame. We just want to like look for a setup to be made before we actually go ahead to place this trade. So what we want to do on this USDJPY is go ahead to sell, right? But a pullback is forming. So this pullback that is forming, I don't think it is over yet. We would want to see that pullback get to a level of 133. Once that pullback is over, then we should expect a further drop on USDJPY. Now let's see what this 4-hour time frame says. Like we said, we're having a pullback, and that pullback we expect to see an higher highs and an higher lows on the 4-hour time frame, and we also expect to see this price trade above the moving average. Since we are expecting a pullback, right, and that pullback is bullish, then definitely we should see price trade above the moving average, and we should be seeing multiple break of structure upward. So this is what we are having on this 4-hour time frame. So let's see if we can go up a little bit on this 4-hour time frame. Then price should drop, right, and give us that last bullish move that we hit a level of 133 before we get that final drop. So above all, right, we would want to see price actually give us a bullish move for the next day, which is for the 23rd, right? Let's see USDJPY give us like a bullish move, right, before we go ahead to sell. And let's see what this 1-hour time frame is saying. So same thing with the 1-hour time frame. We can clearly see that this 1-hour time frame, if we see the trend, clearly we can see that this trend is an uptrend move, no doubt about that. And if you zoom in, you also see that this price is also trading above our moving average. So clearly this is still an uptrend move, and we should go ahead to trade it, apply that principle of trade what you see and not what you think. So what we clearly can see, especially on the 1-hour time frame and 4-hour time frame, that this is still a long movement. So I think it makes sense for us to go ahead to go long for USDJPY.